Hi and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back once again to Technology Information channel. Today in this video I am going to talk about the Caterpillar C9 generator starting circuit. How the starting circuit works if you have trouble with your generator no ring no start. This video is for you. Before starting the video, a small request to all newcomers: if you are first time on my channel, please make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification to getting more latest update videos. So let me explain the complete wiring starting circuit of the genset. So also if you have need this complete wiring diagram, please check the video description. If you find my Gmail, please make me an email for uh, the wiring diagram PDF. When I get your email, I will send you the complete wiring diagram of the Caterpillar C9 genset. So let's get started. First of all, before the wiring diagram, you need to know one thing. As you can see here, little bit I will zoom it. This as you can see here, we have the battery red wire. We have some wire with the colors. Okay, red wire is a battery positive. Okay, all time on. Okay, and the blue wire is a battery positive but switchable. Okay, the orange wire is a starting circuit. The black wire is negative and battery negative and sensor returns. Okay, the pink wire is a sensor actuator supply, and the purple wire is a signal plus to ECM, and the purple with the white strip is a signal bus to the minus to the ECM. Okay, and also the gray wire is a control plus from ECM, and the purple wire with the white strips is the control minus from the ECM, and light green is a K data link, and with the black strips, and the light pink wire with the black strips is a J1939 data link connectors. So now let's get started. The wiring diagram is the starting circuit of the Caterpillar generator C9. Okay, as you can see here, we have the ignition key switch. As you can see here, ignition key switch, some wires with the dotable wires. Okay, the orange wire is a start for the starting, and the red wire is the input for the ignition key switch, and also the blue wire is a battery input, positive input but switchable from the circuit breakers. As you can see here, if we follow this wire, now let's understand how the starting circuit works. Okay, as you can see here, if we follow this orange wire is going to this connector. Okay, this is the DC control connector. As you can see here, the connector number 9x1343. Okay, 43, the pin number 29. Okay, the pin number 29 is out to the remote starts. Okay, and then as you can see, remote start, this wire is going to this PK391A. okay, also as you can see, and then out from this connectors, as you can see, PK391A remote start, and as you can see this wire PK391. if we search this wire, copy and search here, paste, as you can see we have 5 times this wire in that wiring diagram, as you can see. Okay, so as you can see here, we have, this is our start relay. Okay, starter motor relay. Okay, starter motor relay coil 1 and 2, one is a negative and this orange wire is a signal from the ignition key switch. Okay, and as you can see here, these two wire, when the relay is energized, these two contacts is connect from NO to NC, and this orange wire is going to the starting terminal, starter motor S. The engine start cranking over. Okay, now we need to follow this orange wire behind the starting motor. As you can see, this is coming here. As you can see, the remote start 391A PK. Okay, and then this wire is distributed all in the wiring diagram. Okay, so I wanted to explain from scratch. So let's get started once again. See, look here. This PK16, this is the or main wire. Okay, PK16. I want to copy this wire numbers, copy and paste here in search bar. As you can see here, first of all you need to find this wire in your connector EC1 connector. This is the wire number, this which is used for the starting signal to the starter relay, PK16. Okay, as you can see, it's continued, EC1 continued. As you can see, also this two wire, E722, E15, and C968, E21. Okay, PK16. As you can see here, this wire B16, PK16, this is already the starting wire. Okay, as you can see here, we are going to follow this wire. As you can see, PK16 is coming, this orange dotted wire, as you can see, and then out here, as you can see, the PK16 wire. Okay, and this PK16 wire, if we down, as you can see here, and this connector, this is going to the this connector. As you can see, the connector EC2 9X1343. Okay, if we follow this, as you can see, this wire PK16 wire number 12, this is going to the this connector. As you can see here, PK16. Okay, PK16 is distributed by these two wire. As you can see, one for the remote and one for the manually. Okay, as you can see, when you are on the generator in auto mode, you need to turning over the switch to the auto position. Okay, when you need to run the generator in manual position, you need to turning on the switch to the manual position. Okay, as you can see, the E722 E15, this is our manual, and C98668 E21, this is our remote start. Okay, but wire is one. As you can see, this wire is going to the this another junction. Okay, as you can see, the PK16 and PK16 two wire, and then this two wire is out from this two. Okay, as you can see, out from this two, PK16 and PK16. As you can see, this is the or another connector. Okay, main ECM connector. Okay, from 1 pin to 70 pin connector. As you can see here, pin number 70, from 1 to pin number 70. You need to find the pin number 4, pin number PK16. This is low idle switch and drop isochronous switch. Okay, pin 46 and pin 47. And then, as you can see here, this is out from the ECM and also manually, the customer manually ignition key switch installed by the customer switch. Okay, and as you can see, this PK16 wire is coming from the ECM. As you can see here, isochronous switch and low idle switch, and then we follow this two wire. This two wire is going to the, as you can see also here, and then PK16 two wire is also, as you can see, then here, and then as you can see from here to there, the downward, sorry, this one, and then from here to there, okay, sorry, upper PK16, and then going to this connector, as you can see, this connector, as you can see, wire number 2912, which is going to the PK16, the signal, okay. This two wire is going to the relay, okay, starting relay, okay. As you can see here, the downside, where if we follow this two wire, the PK14 is our starting relay negative, and a PK16 is your starting relay positive feed during cranking, okay. If we follow this two wire as of the finally, this two wire, this is our negative wire 2994 BK14, and the positive feed from the ignition key, from the engine control module, and from the also the EMCP 3 wire 2912 PK16 is going to the starting relay, okay. As you can see here, finally we reach to the starting motor relay, okay. When the or starting motor relay coil is energized, this can close these two contacts. When this two contact is closed, this orange wire is feed direct positive to the starting motor S terminal. When the starter motor solenoid is energized, this is push back and engage the starter motor to the flywheel. The engine start turning over and cranking, okay. So this is the briefly explanation of the starting circuit of the Caterpillar generator C9. If you have further any question, please write comment section. If you require the wiring diagram of the PDF file, please mail me, I will send you. Thanks for watching. See you all next time, and goodbye.